Hey guys, just updating you on the progress on the Honda. Up to date, I'm trying to put most of the bodywork into primer. Reason being, it's getting pockets of water underneath the layers of paint, and it's corroding the bodywork. So up to press, I've done most of the front except for the bonnet. Like, we're getting a new one of them. Half of the roof. Just done this bit today. Primer's still a bit wet. And half of the back as well. There's lots of filler on this car. I had to grind away at it. What I'm going to do is take it all down to bare metal, prime it. Then what I'm going to do is sandblast it, sandblast the whole body shell. But I need a shelter, I need a gazebo to sandblast in. So for the moment I'm just doing this. Up to date. We've got the engine out. Got the gearbox out. I'll just shift this. There's the engine out. Well, my next job is taking the rest of the engine bay out, taking the wiring loom out. Need to mark everything up. Once I've got everything out, I can sandblast the shell of the engine bay. I've sourced the windscreen. Managed to buy a brand new one. That should take 8 to 10 weeks to come. Got the diff off. Diff and axle off the back. Taking the brakes apart on the front. What I have come across is quite a lot of damage, quite a lot of rusting on the passenger side. Still, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Get all that down, treat it, fabricate a new piece. Well, to press, the bodywork isn't too bad. This is what the other side looked like before I took it down. All this should be nice metal underneath. That's what it came out as. All of the rain rails are off. I just need to do this side now. Do both the doors. This is the car up to date. I'll be posting more videos as I progress. But I think the next task is refurbing the diff, put it back on wheels, get it sandblasted. Right. I'll have some more videos up soon. Cheers.